Hello students, today I am discussing about cubic polynomial in which we find zeros and relation between zeros and coefficient. Firstly, we find this cubic polynomial's factor. Okay, this factor is available when substituting this factor's value find zeros. Okay, if substituting 1 or you 12 factor is plus minus 1 plus minus 2 etc. But we substitute 1 not complete into 0, then taking minus 1 x, putting x is equal to minus 1 in polynomial, then find 0 easily. Then this number, this value's factor is also this cubic. X cube means 1 cube plus 9 minus 1 square plus 20 minus 1 plus 12. We find easily minus 1 because this is odd power, plus 9 plus minus convert into minus 20 plus 12. Then minus portion is 8, minus 21 plus portion is 8, 21. Then we find easily 0. Hence x plus 1 is a factor of cubic polynomial. Okay, it means this is a factor of cubic polynomial. Then we find easily factor as always find remaining. This substitute into two parts, x cube plus 9x square plus 20x plus 12. Then we take in two terms. We find x plus 1 remain. Is remaining 3 plus we take x square plus here 8x square same, and taking 8x same both sides. Then you take 20 from 8x remaining plus 12x plus 12. Okay, we converted this 9 convert into x square plus 8x square and 20 convert into 8x plus 12x plus 12. Then we comma x plus 1 2 pairs, find remaining x square comma x plus 1 remain. Then 8x comma x plus 1 remain. Then plus 12 comma x plus 1 remain. Okay, now you see here x plus 1 is comma, then take again comma x plus 1 here x square here 8x then 12. Okay, now complete this. X plus 1 factor convert into factor is this polynomial. X square plus we factorize a 12 multiple, find 12 and sum 8. If 6 multiply 2 equal to 12, 6 plus 2 equal to 8. It means substituting at the place 8 is 6x plus 2x plus 12. Okay, now come on. X plus 1 x comma x plus 6, then take 2 comma x plus 6. Okay, curly bracket x plus 1 here take comma again x plus 6 x plus 2 x comma x remain plus 2 remain. This is a factor of cubic polynomial. For zeros we find these zeros. For zeros x plus 1 x plus 6 x plus 2 equal to 0. Okay, then x plus 1 equal to 0, x plus 6 equal to 0, x plus 2 equal to 0. X is transferring another side, then find minus 1. Same process, x is equal to minus 6, x is equal to minus 2. This is a zeros. Minus 1, minus 6, minus 2. Okay, also you see here it's alpha, beta, gamma. Okay, we find relation between zeros and coefficient. Okay, we have find 3 zeros, alpha equal to minus 1, beta equal to minus 2 or gamma equal to minus 3. We have 3 relation. First relation is sum of zeros equal to minus b by a. Okay, b by means coefficient of x square divided by coefficient of x cube. Sum of zeros, all zeros sum, minus 1 plus minus 2 plus minus 6 equal to coefficient of b means minus 9 divided by 1. Then need minus 1, minus 2, minus 6. We find minus 9 equal to minus 9. Verified. Second sum of product taking 2 by 2 zeros. Okay, alpha beta, this formula is converted into c by a. Okay, c by a means coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x cube. Alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha. Substitute value, c means 20, a means 1. Substitute here alpha beta gamma values. Minus 1 multiply minus 2, then plus minus 2 multiply minus 6 plus minus 6 multiply minus 1 equal to 20. Okay, multiply 2 plus minus plus 2 plus 6 is 12 plus 6 1 is 6 equal to 20. 6 4 equal to 20 equal to 20. Verified. Third relation is product of zeros equal to constant value minus constant value by a. Product of zeros means alpha beta gamma equal to minus d by a. Substituting values, coefficient value and zeros value. Minus 1 multiply minus 2 multiply minus 6 equal to minus d means 12 minus 12 by a means 1. So multiply same, 6 2 ja 12 plus 12 or multiply minus 12 equal to minus 12. Verified. Easily you solve this in another question, same process. Okay, thank you.